Alright guys, so we're out here with the Autel Evo Mini Pro, and I wanted to see if this thing would fly without the app. I think it will. I think I tried it one time, but I don't think I ever checked to see if the video would record. So I want to see if it'll... Okay, so the green light is just flashing normally. Now if I hit the video record button... So I don't see any kind of acknowledgement that the record button is on. And okay, so the obstacle avoidance is on automatically. See, if I bring it down to me and press forward, it won't do anything. See that I have to move out of the way before it's going to go forward. So the obstacle avoidance on these Autels is always automatically on. I mentioned that in one of my other videos too. Now whether or not it's recording that remains to be seen, right? But we just did that little update short video, and it's working fine. It's not doing as much as that gimbal checking. This was constantly doing that. It was very annoying, but it seems to have stopped doing that as much. Now, if this video is recording, I'll put it in here, but I'm not very confident that it's going to be doing that. So, you know, even if you're flying without the app, the obstacle avoidance is going to be on, and it's from way back there. It's full stick forward and it's not doing anything. So even without the app, that still works. Okay. It's just in a regular, like slow as you go mode there. Okay, so I don't see any way to, you know, put it into the sport mode or anything like that. So we just kind of have to deal with that. So yeah, so it works. Okay, so that's all I wanted to see, and if the video works, I'll put it in there. All right, okay guys. All right, lands perfectly, yay. All right guys, I'll talk to you later. I just wanted to check that stuff. Have a nice day.